If you've ever seen an owl in real life, you know just how majestic and mysterious they are. They can turn their heads almost 360 degrees and have excellent night vision. But there are many more amazing facts that you probably didn't know. So let's take a closer look at some of them. Number 12. There are over 200 species of owls. Owls come in all shapes and sizes. From the tiny elf owl, which is only about the size of a ping pong ball, to the huge Eurasian eagle owl, which has a wingspan of up to 6 feet, there is a lot of variety within this bird family. They are found all over the world, and each species has its own unique characteristics. For example, the snowy owl is known for its white feathers, while the barred owl has brown feathers with black stripes. Some owls are nocturnal, while others are active during the day. And some, like the horned owl, are both. Number 11. They have exceptional night vision. If you've ever seen an owl in the wild, you may have noticed that it seems to be able to see everything around it, even in the darkest of nights. This is because owls have exceptional night vision. Their eyes are much larger than those of most other birds. And they have more rods and cones in their retinas, which allows them to see better in low-light conditions. Owls also have a special membrane called the nictitating membrane, which is a third eyelid that helps to protect their eyes from injury, while also providing some extra help with seeing in the dark. In fact, owls can see up to 6 times better in the dark than humans. No. 10. They can hear well. Owls have excellent hearing, which is just as good as their night vision. They can hear the faintest of sounds, such as the rustling of leaves or the squeaking of a mouse, from many feet away. This is because their ears are asymmetrical, meaning that they are located at different heights on either side of their head. This allows them to pinpoint the exact location of a sound. In fact, owls can hear sounds up to 200 feet away. 9. They are carnivorous. Most owls are carnivorous, which means that they eat meat. Their diet consists mainly of small animals such as mice, rats, squirrels, and rabbits. Some larger owls can prey on other birds, bats, and even foxes. The great horned owl, for instance, is one of the most widespread and adaptable owls in North America, and its diet consists of more than 600 prey species. No. 8. They have sharp talons and strong feet. Owls have sharp, strong feet and talons that allow them to grip their prey firmly, while also protecting themselves from potential threats. These adaptations enable them to capture and eat their prey without being injured. Additionally, the rough pads on their toes provide traction while climbing and maneuvering on branches. Number 7. They swallow their prey whole. After catching their prey, many owl species will swallow their food whole. They are able to do this thanks to their flexible spines and necks, which allow them to swallow large prey items without choking. The hard parts of the prey, such as bones, teeth, and fur, pass through the owl's digestive system without being broken down. These items are then regurgitated in the form of pellets. Pellets are basically a ball of undigested material that contains the remains of the owl's meal. They are usually made up of fur, bone, teeth, and other small debris. No. 6. They are solitary creatures. Although owls can be found all over the world, they are generally solitary creatures. They prefer to live and hunt alone rather than in groups. This is probably because they need a lot of space in order to find enough food for themselves. Number 5. They are long. Many owl species can live for up to 20 years in the wild, with some species living even longer. This is probably due to their nocturnal habits and specialized diet. Because they are active at night, owls are less likely to be seen by predators. And because they eat mostly small animals, they are not often exposed to diseases that can kill off entire flocks of birds. No. For they play an important role in the ecosystem. As predators, owls play an important role in the ecosystem by keeping populations of small animals under control. They also help to control the spread of diseases among these animals by feeding on sick or injured animals. Owls can help to prevent the spread of disease among the rest of the population. No. 3. They are vulnerable to habitat loss. Despite their many amazing adaptations, owls are vulnerable to habitat loss. This is because they require large territories in order to find enough food. When their habitats are destroyed, owls are forced to compete with each as they search for new homes and food sources. This can lead to fights and even death. No. 2. They can be killed by humans. Humans are the no. One predator of owls. We hunt them for our sport, kill them accidentally through collisions with cars or buildings, and destroy their habitats to make room for more human development. No. 1. They are symbols of wisdom and knowledge. Owls have been revered as symbols of wisdom and knowledge throughout history. They are often used in mythology and folklore to represent these concepts. The ancient Greeks, for instance, believed that owls were the embodiment of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. That's all for today. See you next time.